Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make some delicious chicken and biscuits, okay? Oh my God, this is a heartwarming meal and you can make it in 3 different ways, okay? I will show you. You can eat it with some noodles, with some rice, and all of that. So stay tuned for the ingredients we will be needing for this delicious meal. Be right back. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
A drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
So we are back with all the ingredients that we will be needing to make our chicken and biscuit casserole, okay? So we have some freshly ground black pepper, some parsley, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, better than bouillon, chicken base, okay? Some Creole seasoning, oregano, chicken stock. We have a can of cream of chicken, a yellow onion, garlic, red and green peppers. I have a frozen bag of mixed veggies and a frozen bag of green bean melody, okay? And then of course our chicken breast that's the star of the moment. And I'm gonna be making a small dish, okay? And I have some graham biscuits that I opened, and so I'm gonna just use those. So this is gonna be a small dish. So let's get started with our biscuit and chicken casserole. All right. Yes. All right. We cut our chicken breast into chunks. So I am going to take a saucepan. We're going to get the chicken stock poured in there, and then we're going to boil them. So for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, maybe less. We just want to halfway cook it because the rest is going to cook in the oven, okay? So let's get this in the pot. All right, so we got our chicken stock, and I'm going to put probably about 2.5 cups, enough to cover the chicken, okay? I haven't made this casserole in years, okay? It's been a long time since I've made this. We're going to bring this up to a boil over medium-high heat, and then I am going to lower the heat, medium-low, okay? I don't want anything else in there but a little bit of black pepper. It's been a long time since I made this, guy. And a good friend of mine who I met when I moved to PA, Sierra, she told me about this dish, and I was like, ooh, I gotta try it. I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley flakes in there, and because I'm not a big casserole fan, okay? And then once this is finished cooking up, I'm gonna put season it with your seasonings that I showed you. Garlic powder, onion powder, all that good stuff. Then stir it up and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes because the rest is going to cook, and I'm going to cover the pot once I lower it, okay guys? So that's all we're doing, adding our seasoning and then bringing it to a boil, cover it up and let it go ahead and simmer. Be right back. So we are going to lower the heat. And that's it. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, foggy. Anyway, we're going to turn our chicken off. We're ready to get started with that. Turn that off. My hands is ashy because I stay in the water. Gotta keep washing your hands, right? And here are the veggies. So we are about to go ahead and saute these and then start building our casserole. Okay guys, so we are going to heat up some olive oil in a pan, and then we are going to get to sauteing our veggies. Medium high heat, but I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. It's kicking, y'all. It's kicking. I'm gonna put the garlic in last. Just want to saute it a little bit, and I am not going to cook them down till they're translucent because they're going to cook the rest of the way in the oven. So we want to bring out the flavor, right? Start those flavors opening up in here, and I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to add too much seasoning to this because our dish is going to be so flavorful. We're going to add lots of flavor to our dish as it is, okay? So yes, this is all we're gonna do. Let it cook down some more, and then go ahead and add in your garlic and cook until you smell the aroma, fragrance of the garlic. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you for watching my last video, and thank you for being here with me today, okay? I appreciate each and every last one of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Get our garlic in there. Add as much veggies as you like. It's all about what your taste buds is looking for. I'm gonna pull this off, and I'll be back with building our casserole. I have an 8.5 by 11 baking dish today, and I forgot to show you. I am gonna use some slices of smoked Gouda cheese. We'll need a little bit of, I'm gonna use a little bit of heavy whipping cream, okay? And also I have some fully cooked, uncured bacon that we are adding to this dish. Oh yes, let's turn this dish up, baby. Okay, so let's get our chicken in here first. And you're gonna set your stove preheated to 375 degrees. Got it? All right, so I'm gonna first lay our chicken in here. All right, it's okay if a little bit of oil get in there, of the olive oil with our sauteed veggies, garlic, and chicken up in there. I'm gonna pour, I don't know, 1/4 a cup so of heavy cream in there. Let's start mixing some of that together just to blend it in a little bit. But we're gonna fully mix it all together in one moment. Yes, we're looking for a creamy, savory, delicious casserole, okay? Guys, trust me, your family will love this. Trust the process, okay? I'm gonna add some of the flavors. So you're gonna add a little bit of all the seasoning I showed you at the beginning. I love a flavorful dish. Please, you have to bring the flavors when you come up in the kitchen, okay? You know, you see how I always tell you, we season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey! So yes, I love a flavorful dish. And that is very, very important. Spoon of, better than, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Trust me. Tell you to trust the process. Trust the process. We are definitely trusting the process today, baby. All right. So we have those flavors going on in there. Let's give it a spin again. A little bit. But our veggies and stuff is going to make some juices, guys. So, you know, let's be mindful. Now let's get our veggies in. I got our veggies in there. I broke up some of the Gouda cheese, smoked Gouda cheese. And we're just going to spread this throughout here. Broke up the cheese because we don't want patches of cheese. We want enough. A pack of bacon comes like this. So, which is awesome because you don't have to use, you know, both sides of them. And it's already cooked. But it's going to give delicious form to this. And so what you're going to do is I can take this and just get me a knife, okay, and just like cut it like that. Throw them in there so we can have pieces of bacon throughout our lovely dish. Let it all cut in, and just like that, okay, into bite-sized pieces, just so you can get around the dish. Hello. Wow, they are not evenly. It's okay. It's all good, baby. Okay, because we are going to enjoy this meal. Now, let's give it a spin. Like I said, this is all the chicken juices, which I'm also adding to this a little bit of the chicken broth that we, you know, boiled a little bit. Not too much, guys, not too much. Okay. I don't want it spilling over in the oven once things start bubbling, because it's going to start bubbling, and you're going to cook this until it's nice and bubbly and the biscuits are golden brown. All right, I'm gonna mix this all together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, there we go. Okay, so everything is blended up well and nicely. I'm still going to sit this dish on a cookie sheet because I don't trust it, guys. So I'm flattening out the biscuits. Okay? I'm flattening them out so we can stretch it amongst our dish. This is me stretching the dollar, baby. Okay? Stretching the dollar. It ain't gonna cover all of it, but it's okay. I'm gonna try. Now I thought about breaking the biscuits up, right? But I don't know. What y'all think? I don't think it matters. I think I just want to close it in. And it's only for me and the girls, so as long as everybody get a biscuit, that's great. And you know what I could do with the rest of this? After the biscuit is gone, I can make me some delicious rice and get the fixings of the casserole you can put on top. I can make some butter noodles. Baby, listen, turn this dish into a meal. 3 meals, okay? It's going to be delicious. So let's go. I'm going to put this in the oven, and we're going to let this cook for about 30 to 40 minutes until the biscuits are golden brown and the casserole dish is nice and bubbly. Hey, my beautiful people. We are back. And look at this yumminess, guys. Ooh, baby. I'm ready to dig in. Let's look at that. Look at that goodness. Just see that goodness? I'm fixing some in the bowl. Yes. See the creaminess, guys? And the veggies are not overcooked. They are just right. There you have it, guys. Look at that. Delicious. Oh, I can't wait to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope that this has blessed you. I hope you try this dish. And if you do, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me here today, because your time is precious. And I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. And welcome to all of my new family members. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. And I will catch you guys later. Don't forget, thumbs up the video and leave a comment. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed.
We season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
Later.
we season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey. Sizzle and pop, sizzle and pop, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop. Your comfort zone. Your comfort zone.